Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For supper tonight we are having Sonic for the first time. I don't even remember when I ever had Sonic or if I even had Sonic. And I have their bacon toasted cheddar burger. And then
onion rings on it?
Yeah, it looks like it has onion rings, tomato, like diced up onions, lettuce, cheese, and bacon. Look at that. And then I have some chili cheese tots, which I upgraded my chili cheese tots for instead of just the regular because I wanted to try their chili cheese tots. And then my hubby has
surprise. Your hubby has a foot long.
My hubby is going to show you his foot long.
Wait, what?
You ready? You got to take it out of the pack first.
Oh, you have to. You want me to take my foot long out?
Yes, take your foot long out for the fans.
Is this only fans?
Mm-hmm. This is the only thing, guys. Children, close your eyes.
Oh, okay.
It's mighty big. Close your eyes.
Really?
Okay.
I have to.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Just kidding, Bo.
My kids are actually closing their eyes for this.
That's how gullible. That's how gullible they are.
All right, let me show them. Let me show them.
There's, you know, you see my foot long.
You guys probably already know what it looks like if you ever went to Sonic, but we haven't been to Sonic in
You
years.
don't know what my
even
foot long looks like.
Look at that big old foot long, guys.
Jesse?
Oh,
Jesse?
isn't it a beauty?
Yes, it's just yeah, it's a beauty.
I'd eat that.
My foot.
Anyways, I'm hungry and I'm gonna get two. Let's get two, guys.
This is getting R-rated.
I'm gonna add mustard to my chili cheese tots because I do that with my hot dogs anyway. So I know it's gonna be good.
Ew.
All right, I'm gonna start with the chili cheese tots. Give you guys the first bite. Those are good.
You good?
Very nice chili.
Got you offer.
You want some mustard with your hot dog?
I think that's my first time doing that.
It's good, honey.
Sure.
All right, there's you. You want another one?
No.
All right. So how are you guys this evening? I'm doing good. It's another beautiful day in the Hoosier State.
Hi.
And yeah.
In America.
I had to share this, guys, with you because I've never had Sonic. I don't even remember.
Daddy, how are you going to eat all that? That big hot dog.
I'm going to
All right. I'm going to try this sandwich. This thing might be messy.
It's just like
Let me see.
turn camera.
Look at that bite.
Can you see a hot dog?
It looks
Just
so
like
good.
having two hot dogs. Mustard. Daddy likes mustard.
Not me.
You guys never liked it.
Mustard's disgusting.
Yeah.
If you're a mustard lover, so do you like mustard?
Sonic. I was wanting to try this. That is good. Need some mayo.
Need some mayo?
I should have asked for mayo.
You can go tell him there's mayo.
Daddy.
Well, baby.
Daddy.
Daddy?
Oh, baby. Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
Hi.
This is heavy.
Oh, wow. Ketchup.
I saved one for you.
Fries need a little ketchup.
Are they good fries?
Yeah.
Oh man, I already
Doesn't
ate all
smell like
my.
that.
Whoa!
You already ate all yours? You are hungry.
You know,
Fries.
just like my own.
They eat like Garfield. Nope.
You guys, I'm getting spoiled.
It's gonna be. Fries remind me of. Remind me of Steak and Shake fries.
Steak and Shake fries?
Shoestring.
Here,
Crispy
I
fries.
want you to try these tots.
I'm full. I'm full.
Okay, baby.
I get you all my french fries. Save this for later.
I'm gonna give my hubby a bite of tots. Now I added mustard,
Oh.
so it might be different.
Sounds good.
Isn't that good? But yeah,
Eat fries.
I almost got all my kids' costumes.
I be told that.
Most, but
My
you
oldest
probably
is gonna be Luigi, and then my youngest son is gonna be Mario, and then my daughter is gonna be Toadette. And we're having to like be very creative and buy separate things because there is no Toadette costume. Nope, no Toadette costume. And instead of buying my boys' costumes like all together, we just bought like the hands and the hat and the mustache separate. And then we're buying the shirts, and then we bought suspenders.
Isn't my Toadette costume
So, yeah.
coming, Mommy?
Because I tell you what, them costumes are expensive. I don't know.
My costume's coming. My costume's coming.
Yes, baby.
I'm waiting for years.
Costumes are expensive. Me and my hubby was gonna do a costume, but I'm like, no. Huh? Let's just focus on the kids because
What we're gonna do.
it's expensive, huh? Do what?
From what we were gonna do.
Look, Sam. There's a
For costume.
secret.
Oh, me and my hubby was gonna be what was it?
Shy guy, shy girl.
Shy Guy and Shy Girl. They're on Mario too,
See that?
Are you gonna be them?
Secret
but
there?
we decided not to because the prices of everything. Plus, we're not gonna have a Halloween party this year. We're just gonna take them trick or treating, and then we're gonna go to Connor Prairie. So
Are we going to go to Claw
for the Headless Horseman.
Yep.
Is it store? Can we come in?
A hayride. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a hayride.
Someone dressed up like a headless horseman and chases you while you're on the hayride. Oh yeah. On a horse.
Okay, let's stop.
Yeah.
Stop being silly, please, Poppy. Daddy, I'm scared of that.
Daddy will
Somebody
hold you.
chases me.
Daddy hold you.
But somebody will chase me.
It's not real though.
There's just a guy wearing
It's the actor.
costume.
The costume.
He's just an actor. Looks like he got being chased. And also, they use the wheel horse to do chasing.
Yeah. Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited for Hunt 3.
Are we going to the hayride? Looks like
And they got
we're in,
corn
like,
mazes.
1800s.
Corn mazes and they have like a candy apple store.
Yes.
All kinds of stuff. Okay.
So we gotta bring some extra money to go that.
You're right there.
Are we going to the hayride?
They even have a hot air balloon you can get in. Oh!
Yeah,
I
but
do not.
just get a pie.
I've never been on a hot air balloon.
I never do that.
I never been on the plane.
And I never do you know. I never. Maybe someday when you go up.
You guys will probably see this before my Chinese mukbang. I haven't forgot of the pool that won Chinese, so I will be doing that very, very soon.
Are you going right now?
I'm gonna make it kind of like homemade, and then I'm gonna go to the Chinese restaurant and get a few things that I want from there that I can't make it homemade at home. So yeah, but that is coming. I haven't forgot.
21 hours.
That's 20 full hours.
Longer than that.
No.
7 days. 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. Wait, plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24.
Stop talking. Where are we going?
You need to eat your fries, honey.
Where are we going?
Sit down.
Full. 44.
You didn't even eat.
64. 64. I just 74.
Put it to that ear because I
24.
would save it for later. And full.
34. 44.
Stop.
54.
Stop talking.
64. 74. 84.
84 hours. 7 days for 84 hours. Is that right?
Why you always eat
I have no idea.
ketchup?
Yes, I'm
Touched it.
This is good. Really
If you
good.
get sick by children.
This is so
I'm
good.
hungry. Give me more food.
Where's your french fries?
Get my french fries instead. Come out. Come out of the chair.
Oh, I just found it.
I still gotta get the kisses
down.
pumpkins. Huh.
Come out
we
of the
gonna get
chair.
pumpkins.
Yeah.
Sit down.
What's that?
Out of the chair.
The trees like yellow,
Down.
orange, and red.
Come out of the chair.
Some.
Down. Come out of the chair.
You mean the
Sit
character or the
down.
place?
Come out of the chair.
They have the same name.
Down. Come out of the
I
chair.
think this place came first before Sonic.
Mm,
Why?
those were good. Very
Daddy, can I
good.
have my french fries?
I highly recommend the chili cheese tots from Sonic.
The L called excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Still warm. Yum, yum, yum. Yum.
I keep dropping food on the floor.
Go.
I'm gonna clean it out.
Way to go.
Mm-hmm.
What the heck is that? I'm cool.
Are you done?
I'm done. My food's all gone.
You eat the whole hot dog?
Ate the whole hot dog.
Hey, I ate my french fries and my
That
hamburger.
foot long good.
I know, I ate it all.
Was.
Oh my
I
god.
told you foot longs are
Hey,
good.
I ate it all.
I'd take your word for it.
My french fries and my hamburger.
Look at that.
French fries.
I'm actually not done yet.
Oh boy, silly. I'm all done too. That was good.
Everyone's eating.
Oh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
But yeah, guys, that was delicious. Thank you all for joining me. And if this is the first time seeing my face, please consider liking, comment, and subscribing. And like I always say, once we get to 800 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and do so. Share my videos
Give me the sugar.
and please like them. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, my loves.
Bye.